That saves billions of gallons of gasoline. I mean, billions of $2.3 billion worth of, $500 billion in savings and 2-point-something billion metric tons of CO2 going in the air.
On occasion, we'll need to convey information that deals in very large numbers, facts, figures, statistics.
There's an estimation of somewhere between 700 billion and $1.3 trillion.
And it can be very difficult for human beings to comprehend such numbers. So what do? Make comparisons and analogies so that we can actually see or feel that particular number. For example, if we're going to talk about lightning, don't just stop with saying that air is a poor conductor of electricity and that the air surrounding lightning can burn up to 50,000 degrees. Don't just leave it at that. What is 50,000 degrees? Give us an idea of just how hot this is. Let us know that that is 5 times hotter than the sun. If you don't let me know that, I'm just thinking, wow, that sounds hot. But I don't know exactly how hot. Until you show me, let me see it, with a comparison or an analogy. Likewise, in this example, this gentleman is trying to explain just how far away the moon is from the planet Earth. That's the one you live on. Naturally, this explanation will deal in very, very large numbers. So don't just tell us that the moon is roughly 240,000 miles away. Show us. Let us see it. And just in case you're curious, if you're wondering how big the sun would be in this particular analogy, it'd be about the size of a very, very large house. The sun is big. And in this analogy, you wouldn't be able to see it. It'd be well over a mile away. Space is fascinating. So when you need to use large numbers, big statistics, facts, or figures, paint a picture for us. Let us see and feel those numbers. Put them in context. Otherwise, they'll just soar right over us. Till next time.
700 billion and $1.3 trillion. $2.3 billion, $500 billion and 2-point-something billion metric tons of CO2 going in the air.